working on a Sunday. I'm here working on a pretty cool truck. This is a friend of mine, Mike Hoffman. A lot of you know him. He's up in the Asheville Mountains area. And he finally got a CyberTruck. And he likes to do some wild and crazy colors. This is part of the design of his CyberTruck. Now, he just picked this up Friday night, dropped it straight off here on his way back home, and changing it for him, so it's really cool. This is from Hexus. This is satin chrome. This material is super thick. This is almost like PPF. It's kind of crazy how thick this material is. I know you can't tell how thick it is, but it's definitely thick, trust me. I was struggling, as you can tell by all these scrap pieces here. This is expensive material. You don't want to make too many mistakes. And I do have enough material for this, but there's a cool design that he designed, because he actually designs vinyl wraps for CyberTrucks. And his friend's truck, we already wrapped a long time ago. It's got all these triangles all over it. There's different colors. Really cool. I barely shot any video of it. In fact, I don't even know if I posted that video. Yeah, come to think of it, I don't think I posted that video. We're kind of busy here, and ever since we opened, and you know, I have a lot of videos sitting there. That's why I don't post as often, because I'm busy wrapping. And anyway, you can actually buy their designs. He'll send the roll here, and you can have me wrap it in whatever design. He'll design your wrap if you want something special, and I actually need to call somebody about this. Whatever you need on your CyberTruck, he can design it, and it looks really good. I'll show you the back of this actually. It's kind of dark on this section of the shop, but this is the design that he has for the back of his truck. It says CyberTruck here, cyberowners.com, and that is going to trail down the side, going down to a point right over here. This is obviously all the satin chrome green. I forget the name of the color, but it's a pretty cool green. Almost has Christmas vibes, like it's like a present or a Christmas ornament. Very fitting, since this is Sunday, the day before, 2 days before Christmas Eve. So the front is black, gloss black with PPF on the front. This green is going to go on the front. Actually, I have the front right over there. I'm wrapping the edges, and then obviously green here. It's going to be very noticeable that it is Mike's truck. This color is really cool. They make a lot of colors in this satin chrome. Chrome is a little bit more expensive, but it does look really nice, and it's pretty protective. This is almost as thick as, actually pretty thick, like PPF. So if someone wanted like a purple version of this, it's actually really good. Now that I figured out how to put this on, it takes two people. I was trying to do this by myself, not working by myself. Sunday, Andrew is not here. He's gonna be here tomorrow. And then we're gonna do the bedside tomorrow and this front fender. Or I might call my dad back to help me, because my dad just left here. He helped me do these 4 doors, and it went so smooth. I wish I'd have called him earlier. But the other cool thing about cyberowners.com, let me open the frunk for you. They designed something else, and they brought me one of their production ones. This is a seat for the front of the Model Y. Sorry, CyberTruck. This is really cool. If you have kids that are at sporting events and you sit outside watching soccer games or baseball games, this is a great seat pad. It's soft. They found a company that makes upholstery for cars, so this is the same upholstery you would get for a car. Cup holder. These things fold together, and you can store them away, or you can just leave them up front there. But it's very comfortable. It's a very comfortable seat. Super padded. There's enough cushion right on here, so it's not really putting too much pressure. If you're shorter, you can actually put your your feet right on this edge here and watch the game. You're covered, so if it starts raining or something like that, or misting, it's going to cover you. You can even pull this down a little bit. This is magnetic, so you can probably put a magnetic pillow back there. There's just enough padding here. This is really super nice. You have the cup holder. I don't know. I think it's a pretty cool option. There's those thin pads that you can sit on for probably 15-20 minutes, and then your butt would start hurting. This, you're gonna be fine. This is really comfortable. You can even put this on the tailgate and have a nice seat that way. And if you want to sit on the tailgate, now you got an extra pad. You can lean up against the tailgate or the tonneau cover here, and now you got a little backrest. And also, if you need a little bit more space in the frunk, you just stack them this way, and you have room for there on that side. Make sure this closes. I gotta slowly do it because we got the front off. Look at that. Perfect. See how close we got to his design. It's going to do something different with the front here, and we couldn't add the headlight. We put an eyelid on the front light. I'll show you that. And of course we took off the wheel covers, but let me show you the rest of the vehicle. It's dark outside, so I'll have to show you inside. So we got the brake caliper covers. This is satin chrome green from Hexus. His design on the side. Plus on the back, everything lines up perfectly. We added this window look on the back here. Of course, it's ceramic coated. Window tint. And let me show you the headlight here. So it's just an eyelid to make it more angled here. We have to redo this because that messed up, but let me turn the light on. A bit more aggressive look. So it's the same vinyl that's on the hood, just draped down into the headlight a little bit. You can't see through it. This has PPF on it, and of course ceramic coating, like I said. What do you guys think? Leave your comments down below. Give them a follow. The links are down below. And if you're interested in a printed wrap, they design these things and they look really sharp. He designed the bottom half, obviously. He bought the chrome, but there's a bunch to choose from. And if you're interested now, there is the new software update where you can put it on the screen like I showed you in there. If you want something that Tesla has done on there, so maybe you want the Doge all over the place, or the houndstooth, whatever, they can design that for you and we can install it. And now it's late. I'm going to bed.